They will judge them based on how many houses he has, how many cars he has, all those stuffs, right? And the money he has right now. Now, if you want to judge the character of a person, what they do is they go through your social media. Okay, so now what it does is it tells us your character. Now imagine someone is really interested in you. Okay, two ways, either for a job or either a girlfriend or a boyfriend wants to get more information about you. Where will they go? Definitely your social media, right? So the reason why why I'm telling you this is because social media and digital profiling has become very important. Even companies right now, even before they call you for the interview, they want to know your character. Okay, so there are two things which are playing a major role right now, which is AI, and second thing is ATS, application tracking system. So I'm sure that nobody knows about this here. Does anybody knows about ATS? Raise your hand. ATS, application tracking. At least I've heard about that name. Anybody, if you have no, raise your hand. No, right? Because yes, students don't know that. You know why? Because they don't get the exposure. Let me tell you, after you complete your degree, let's say you are sending your resume to a company. Who do you think actually opens the resume and sees it? How many of you think that the HRs will open the email, they will read my resume, and they will call me for interview? How many of you think like that? Just raise your hand. Let me see that. That is the human resources department, HR team, right? Okay. Preeti says, okay, yes. Anybody else? Anybody else? No, nobody else. Okay, Lokesh, come on. Lokesh says yes. Logically, right? It is the HR team who has to give you the job, isn't it? So when you send an email, what happens is you go send an email to the HR department. The HR department will open the email, will see your qualification and what you have done, and then call you for a job interview, and then they will give you the interview and the job. Yes? Absolutely wrong. Okay, this is not going to happen anymore in this digital world. Right now, there is something called as ATS, Application Tracking System. The reason why this came into picture is because just imagine, friends, Infosys per week they get 3.5 lakh application. How much application? 3.5 lakh application. Now just imagine the resources it would need for someone to open their resume and then read it and then call you for an interview, allocate an interview for you. That is the biggest headache. Agree? Yes, no? Yeah. So sorry, there's no chat, right? Okay. So now what happens is now all the major companies, they have a tracking system, which is an application tracking system. So what it does is whenever someone sends a resume, it automatically goes into that tracking system. It will look out for the keywords which is required for this particular job role. Let's say the opening is for artificial intelligence engineer or a data scientist or a Python developer. So the system will look out for these keywords in your resume. If it is not there in your resume will not go to the HR. Now, if there is a keyword in it, your resume will go to the next level, which will go to the HR. Only then they will send you the email, right? So this is how it works. So how many of you want to see a demo of application tracking system? How many of you want to see a live demo of I need at least I have like 20 30 40 yeses. Raise your hands, let me see. Only then I will show you a live demo of application. Because right now what we do is when someone is asking you to send you what resume, what you do, you go to your your internet and then type in as the best resume on internet, and one person will get it. And then what he does, he shares the same thing to everybody. You just change the name and you send it, isn't it? So, but that is not going to work anymore. I'm going to show you the latest version of the digital profiling or how application tracking system works. So now the one which I'm going to share you right now can decide your future. Okay. So Let me share you that. I'm opening that website. Okay, so are you guys seeing this? Are you able to see this? Okay, so this is the tool which is used to read your resume. Now, what my tool will do is this tool will find out. I told the tool, finally, I know there are tons of email. Okay, just get me the people who have their skill as Python developer. Okay, I can do this. And second thing is, this is a tool which you can also check your resume. First, you have to find out whether your resume has the capacity to be read by a machine. Okay, still we send it in a Word format, but most excuse me, the most preferred one is a PDF. And after you create the PDF, you have to check whether your resume is ATS compatible. Okay, so what you have to do is, this is the website which we have. Unfortunately, I don't have a chat. I can't share the link to you. Later on, you can WhatsApp me. I will share it to you. Okay, so this is the resume. Now, what I'm going to do for you is, I'm going to upload a resume now. Let me show you how I'm going to upload. Now, I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to go to quick access to my desktop, and then I'm going to check for a resume. So let me see a resume. Okay, I have a resume. So this is the person. Okay, I have all the details of this. Now I'm going to find out whether this system or whether this resume is readable by a machine. So it is asking which which language. So I'm going to do this. So there are three ways, whether they use a Java one, either they use a Python one, or a OCR text extractor. So there are three ways how they can, use it. So now see, this resume is readable by a machine. Now look at this. It has detected the key important things are from the resume. Right now, look at this. It has brought me mini self-driving car. He has worked on mini self-driving car. He has worked on some Corona game, and he has made some projects like Invisible Clock. His links are here, his website, and then his YouTube channel. Everything is here. Okay, and then this is using Java. So you need to check whether it is compatible by all these three tools. Okay, see how it is streamlining the resume. Now see, it has got the education and everything. Now what the system will do is, it will look only for the keywords, the ones which the HR have. So now let's say, whether has he put any Python, or let's see, he has put quantum computing, machine learning, he's put Python, so his resume will be shortlisted. So it is very, very important that you need to have the latest centuries resume. Okay, if you don't do it, uh, you don't need to expect a call back from the company. Okay, definitely you will not get it. So I think all the tier ones, or the tier 1 to a tier 3 2 and 1 companies have already have ATS tracking system. So if you don't have skills, if it is not matching to your resume or the job description, you will not be called for the interview. Okay, and how many of you want to see the sample of a resume? The latest resume. Okay, so let me share it to you. Okay, see, you need to start preparing your resume from the second or the third year. Okay, you shouldn't wait for the fourth year. Yeah, not when the placement officer or your campus team comes and says, you know what, get me a resume. No, you should always be ready. Okay, so let me show you. This is one of the resume which was done by one of my student. uh, Let me share that. And I will also share you the platform where you can do this. Okay, so are you seeing this, friends? Are you able to see this one? Are you seeing the resume? Okay. Now it should be available. Yeah, someone can unmute and tell me whether it is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is one of our students. So this is the experience, this education. Look at the skills. Okay, so this is how the rating has to be done. Now you might be wondering what now, like, what will I do in the skills, man? I just have one or two. Not a problem. Whatever you're really skilled at, don't put that skill which you're learning and then put this as zero. Okay, so it has to be. This will help the interviews to assess what I think and look at the libraries and frameworks how he has framed it. Okay, the strength, achievements. Okay, his online details, his projects, and his website. Okay, this has a weightage of around 66%, 70 percentage, success rate. Okay, so still there is more to be improved, but this should do for a beginner, for an introduction. So this is a person who just completed his engineering this year. Okay, so now how do you create a resume like this? How many of you want to know that? How many of you want to know how to create a resume like this? Okay, so Abita, Dinesh says, okay, great. So 11 people have raised their hands. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna share this for those people who have raised their hands. Okay, so come on, guys, bring it on. Let me show you. Now the trick which I'm gonna share you. Do you know what is the value of it? Okay, for a month, the cost of that is around let's say $12 into 12 months into 76 rupees. So the tool which I'm going to share you right now is worth 11,000 or 12,000 rupees, and you will get it for free, right? For 1 year. Okay, I'm going to share that. How many of you want to know that? I'm going to share 12,000 rupees worth of content, especially for students. Okay, you can get access. So I want to see at least, I know how many people are here. Okay, I have more than 59 people. So can I have some around 30? Yes, 30. Raise your hands, please. At least 30. I want to see that. Come on. Okay, cool. So there's people who are going. Okay, awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, come on, guys. Okay, brilliant. Great. So most of you would know that tool, but still I will share the tool, but I don't know whether you know how to access it for free, but let me share you. The tool which I use is this one, which is called as Canva. Okay. Canva is the tool which we use to build anything like any website, blog, or any designs, Instagram, social media, YouTube. Now this is the one of the tool which I train people on digital marketing, and my students earn at least 50,000 rupees by using this particular platform. You can design your resumes, profiles, anything on the website canva.com. Okay. How many of you already know about this canva.com? Just raise your hand. If you already know, just raise your hand. Canva.com. Okay. Cool. Good amount of people. Now let me share you how you can do your resumes in this. Now what you have to do is you have to click on create a design, or you can click on search Canva and then type in resume. Okay. So you get a lot of options as a resume. Choose the one which you like. Okay. Now you might be see everything as paid, 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 and paid versions, isn't it? All of it are paid versions, right? Now, if you want to know how to use this, okay, let me share you the pricing. Let me check for the pricing. So the pricing will be for up to 5 people. So this is as a group buying. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, so 500 rupees you spend 5 people together. So that's around 2,500 per month. So now I'm going to show you how you can use this for free for 1 year. All you have to do is go to my YouTube channel. because it's a quite a long process. I don't want to share, all these things here. Let me go to my channel. So where is 4 steps training solutions? This is the one. Okay. And then you go to your channel, my channel, and then, oh, we don't have the chat, right? Okay. So just go to 4 steps training solutions. Okay. You can go to all my videos. 1 minute. Let it, do it. Okay, go to videos, and then you can see a video here on yeah, this one, surprise gift GitHub education pack. Now watch this video. In this video, we would have told you how you can use GitHub, and also how you can get access to other contents for free. See, you get Canva 12-month pro subscription for free. Okay, and there are quite a few other things also which you get for free if you are a student and you have a college, or if you have a college email ID. Yeah, your college email ID and your college ID card is worth more than 10 lakh rupees. You can even claim lot of goodies and gift from Microsoft and Google if you know how to do that. Okay. So how many of you are getting to know this for first time? You can get a pro version using your college ID card or college email ID. Anyone? Okay, good. So now you can use the pro version. Now let me teach you how to design a, let me share the screen to you. I'm going to share you how to design your resumes. Let me do that. So what I do, this is my pro version. I come to resume, and then I click on resume, and then I choose this one. Let me see, I choose this one. Use a good portfolio profile photo. Don't use any selfies. Okay, so you use a decent photo. Now this is how the interface will look like, and you can see the increase and decrease option here. Now all you have to do is just go there, click on this and edit it. That's it. Change it to your name. You just have to type it. Okay, and then if you want to change the photo, click delete it. You can upload your photo here, and then you can put it here. Understood? Yeah. So what are the experience? The skills, change it to your skill set. Okay, software, put it here, languages which you know, your details, that's it. Simple, done. So if you are able to do this profile for someone else, you can charge them even 10 to 5,000 to 15,000 rupees to do a professional resume building. Okay, so this is something which you guys need to have for must. After this, download it in a PDF file, and then what you have to do is you have to check in ATS application tracking system and how you have to get it done. Cool. You guys are finding it interesting? Yeah. So raise your hand if you're finding it interesting so far. So next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to share you how Facebook can help you to get a job, and also how it can either spoil you getting married or not. Okay. Let me tell you what is happening right now. Okay. So number one, see, right now companies are very clear that, they know that, getting degree is very, very easy. And also they are going to train you most of the stuff. But if your character is not good, if you're, if you're not able to present yourself decently on digital platform, that is a big problem for the company right now. They will not, take it lightly. Okay. Because a lot of people, they have this, what's up dude, cool dude attitude, right? So they want someone who's, if someone who they feel that that person is not emotionally strong, they might even reject them. So to assess them, we have a psychometric test based on AI algorithm. We'll be able to detect how we are using the Facebook or any social media. Like what is the post you're posting, what is the comment you're commenting, what is the post you're liking, chatting, what have you chatted, what whom you have chatted, how you have chatted, have you scolded them, have you abused them. Now you might be wondering, hello sir, wait sir, wait sir, wait sir. What is this, sir? How can you view my Facebook, sir? It is my personal, sir. I can talk to anyone however I want. How can you do that, sir? How many have a question like that? We can literally see your chats. Okay. So what actually happens is we will be able to track your chatting. And now the big one question is like, is Facebook a public or a private platform? It is obviously a public platform, so anybody can see what you're doing, how you can do. Like in 2019 everybody bought, got a pop-up saying that Facebook has legal right to disclose their information to any legal or governing body. Click OK to proceed. What did we do? We didn't read what it was, but we just clicked on okay, okay. Every time I open something comes in. Okay, so how many of you did that? Okay, how many of you just clicked on okay, okay, man? Have you ever clicked no or cancel in our life, in our phone or internet? No, we don't do that. Okay, we don't even read the terms and conditions, right? So, according to that, what we can do is we can do a psychometric analysis. We can see your details and then we will generate a report, either red, amber, or green. If it is red and amber, you will be spot rejected. They will not even call you for the interview. But if it is green, you will be shortlisted for the next round. So, how many of you want to see the parameters which are being used to shortlist you? How many of you want to see the live data of your social media status? Okay, come on, let's raise some hands, please. Come on, let's see that. Okay, so come on, raising. Okay, I have only few people, 10, 12, 13 people. Come on, what about others? You might be wondering, I don't have Facebook. I are jolly. No, so even you have Facebook or not, whatever social media you have, whether you are logged into social media anywhere, we can easily find it out. Okay. So what I'm going to do, right, for the people who have raised the hand, I'm going to show you some live data on what are the things or what are the psychometric analysis we do using your Facebook activities. Okay, here it goes. How many of you have heard about Cambridge Analytica? The case which helped Trump to win the US elections. Okay, so this is literally like that. Okay, let me share you that. Okay, so this is the parameter. Now, a lot of people, what you do is, being a male, you create a female account. Being a female, you create a male account. Try to communicate with each other, right? So now we can actually do that. We can find out whether you're actually a male or a female by the device which you're logged in, by your activity on your Facebook, the way you comment and the way you talk. We can find out whether you're actually a male or a female. Okay, that one. And then these are the big five personality which we check on online platform, whether you're conservative and traditional, liberal and artistic, impulsive and spontaneous, or you hardworking, organized, contemplative, engaged with outside world, competitive, team working and trusting, laid back and relaxed, easily stressed and emotional. So is there any technical here? Not even one parameter. Okay, now why we are doing this, because a lot of people, you go and shout out on your Facebook, and a lot of people, what the comment is like, love me or leave me. Today is the worst day in my life. Do you know what my manager did to me? Okay, he abused her, she abused him, he abused him. Like, it'll all be like emotional statuses. Okay, now that doesn't look good for a company. So they want someone who has a very decent profile on online. Okay, so these are the personality test. And then what is the movie you liked, what is the movies you're commenting about, what are the movies you're chatting about. So this tells a character of a person by the type of movie you watch. So the comedy shows you're watching, and your intelligence, your life satisfaction. Some people will be like always cribbing on online, I didn't like this, today did not go well, water did not come, bus did not go. So they will see how satisfied you're, with intelligence, your life satisfaction, your leadership potential, your political orientation, religious orientation. Now just look at the parameters. Okay, and then your education, your relationship status, everything is consider this. So how many of you are watching this for the first time? Just raise your hand. And how many of you are shocked? Oh my God, what is this? Anybody is shocked? Yeah. Okay, so now the next intent is, guys, I work with cybersecurity and cyber forensics. Right now, we have blocked 2 matrimony websites. You know what they do? For example, if they're seeing a girl for you or if they're seeing a boy for you, what they do is they come to you and they say, let's do a background verification for this girl or a background verification for that boy. They get into your Facebook, WhatsApp, take your chats, take your conversation and share it to each other. Okay, so how many of you at least heard about this? No? This is how marriages are happening right now. Okay, so this is very important for you to have a safe and clean profile on internet. If you're feeling like, I will take it easily, everyone are doing it. No, no, there is a catch for everything. Now I know there are few people here who think like, sir, I will delete it, sir. You can't find anything on my internet, sir. There is nothing, sir. I deleted my chat. I deleted my Facebook chat. Nothing you can find. So for your information, you cannot delete anything. You feel that it is deleted, but Facebook or Instagram, they have it as an archive. What do you mean by archive? So they can have a deleted data for 7 years. So that's when cyber forensics, when any cases are coming, we can take your chat history, what you have talked, what you have spoken, what you have commented, everything from your archives. So now you might have another question. Okay, sir, I will never go to Facebook, sir. I don't want it all. See, I'm not telling you not to use the Facebook or Twitter or anything. Use it. Of course, you will face a lot of challenges. The people will try to abuse you, or people will definitely will try to hit on you. The only thing is how you present yourself really matters. We will not check your Instagrams. Instagram doesn't matter because that's a public platform. Okay, that's a place for abuse and everything. But LinkedIn, your Facebook, and your Twitter, that actually really impacts few people. So that's why we do that. Okay, so if you ask me whether it is legal or illegal, now there are a lot of intermediary brokers, guys. They are the people who do this. You will not even know whether this is happening or not in your life. Okay, so now you can see a lot of people in matrimonies, they applied, but they're not getting alliance. So it's all because of, these things which is happening on internet right now. So, at least per month, we get 120 cases just in Tamil Nadu with these kind of problems. Okay, minimum 120. The maximum, like before COVID, we got only like 1, 2, maximum 10. After COVID, we are even getting 500 cases, in 2 or 3 days. Okay, so you just have to be very careful on your social media, what you profile, how you present yourself. And next thing, how many of you don't have a website for yourself? I don't have a website, sir, or a portfolio website. Dinesh, Karthik, Abhita, Vignesh, Karthik, Lokesh. Okay. Now, as a student, if you're looking to go abroad for higher studies, or if you want to do something on internet, you need to have a digital website, at least a WordPress website. Do you know something? You can create a website without even a single line of coding. Okay, using WordPress. Let me share you my website, which is so that you guys. So if you want to learn that, just WhatsApp me. I will share it to you when I'm doing a website a training program on how to design a portfolio website. Okay, so let me share my website for you. So that website should tell about yourself. Okay, what you're doing. So right now, when any companies or anyone who's asking me to give a guest lecture or want to know about me, I don't send my resume. I send my website. Okay, so they just come to my website. They see my profile. They see what my clients say about me, and I have my own blog. When you visit my blog, you purchase something, I get money as well. Okay, so what are the courses I have? I have a YouTube masterclass. I have digital marketing. I have WordPress designing. So I have a lot of courses. There's this one page will help people to, communicate with me. And the other thing is, guys, the reason why you should have is there is a column, especially if you're applying for abroad visa or education, there is a particular page they're asking for your blog, okay, or your website. So it is important for you to have a website. Don't create a website like cooldude.com, hunkyfunky.com. You can create it in your name. Let's say there's Lokesh here, right? Lokesh J, right? So create a website like www.lokeshj.com. Okay, use your full name.com. You will definitely get a website on your name with your first name and the last name. So I also have a website called as sarananjagadisan.com. So the reason why I go with Vijay the trainer, because I'm building a brand as a trainer. Okay, so you have to create a website and you have to upload your skills. I will be doing a webinar on that. So I will share my contact number or my group or so if you want to stay connected with us, the one thing which you guys can do is you can go to Facebook, and then you can look out for 4 Steps Training Solutions. So just follow that page, or I'll share my number. You can follow us in our WhatsApp group, and you can stay connected. So whatever I do, I post it in this group. So and you can get in touch with us. Okay. So we have been doing AI programs as well. We are the most affordable people to train AI in India. Okay. And currently people from all over the globe, they are actually getting skill from us. So I will also share it to you. The reason why I tell this to you guys is because let me show you. More than India, it's people from abroad who are actually learning more in this particular point of time. Okay, because our people are like, to be honest, either they are getting overdosed with all the online activity because it is new for them, but abroad they already have a habit of learning online, right? Now just see, this is my portal. This is to just tell you how the entire world is preparing. Now look at India. Okay, I have 3,300 people, right now accessing my code. But look at this, people from all across. The blue ones are the people who are actually currently accessing my course from which part of my country. So Egypt, right? So the reason why I'm telling this is because you have to get skill, guys. Now it is not just getting a job in India. This COVID situation has given enough confidence or given enough platform to anybody to you can work anywhere in the world from being anywhere in the world. Okay, even from India. I have a lot of my people who are working for US from India, or working for Canada from Dubai. So it is like, don't think that only after 4th year you can get a job, you can join into company. So digital profiling is, now if someone wants to hire you, if someone comes to my website, they know about me, they will hire me. So if I want to know about you, how can I get to know about you? You send me your resume, right? But I don't have time to read your resume. And one important thing I want you to remember this, guys: whenever you send a resume to someone, please put a subject and please write a little description. That is, hi sir, this is so and so, I got your mail from this person, I'm sending my resume for a profile, I'm looking for these job areas. You can put those things also. Just don't send the attachment without any content or any subject on the email. If you do that, definitely you're not going to get any call. I simply reject them. Okay, let me show you an example. Okay, so digital profiling is not something you should not leave it lightly. It is something you have to take it very seriously. So look at careers at 4stepsolutions.com. This is my email. So where we get a lot of people for requesting for job. Okay, now look at this. Look at how people see this person, Darshini. I didn't even look at the resume. I rejected it. Now look at this. I rejected this. So no subject reject. Why should we give a job to them? Why should even they consider sending just an attachment without even know where will I refer this person? To whom will I refer this person? Okay, now look at this. There'll be one good person who actually sent a decent mail. Okay, now look at this person, Mohan. Right. This is the only person we replied. See, he gave a description. So I said, I'm Vishnu. Was doing full stack freelancing 1 point. Currently, I'm working with so and so. Blah 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 blah. All this here referred by Principal Dr. Shekhar, and created Django. So he has given me his details, his projects, and everything. Got it? Understood it? So raise your hands. If you got the concept, raise your hands. Okay. So the important factor is how you portray yourself to other person. That is very, very, very important. So create a website You don't need to have a good level of coding knowledge. A simple WordPress. You can next question, sir. I don't have money to spend, sir. See, it will take 80 rupees per month to have a website and hosting. Okay, it is not even a cost of your one burger or a pizza. For 1 year, you can have a website, and then you can even start earning through that website. So creating a digital platform is also by LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn is another very important tool how you can actually communicate with a lot of people. So how many of you there in LinkedIn? Raise your hand. If you're there in LinkedIn, raise your hand. No one? Okay, good, decent, very good, guys. Okay, LinkedIn. Okay, do you know how we take your resume from your LinkedIn? How many of you know that? See, now listen to this. How many of you want to know how we take your resume from your LinkedIn? Raise your hands. So right now I'll teach you. It is not just having an account in LinkedIn, but using it for the fullest, right? Okay, good. So very decent number of. So now what I'm going to do for you is, let me go to a LinkedIn. Okay, so this is me. And most of the people you see, they don't have a background, but you need to have a background image. You can design this in using Canva. If you go to Canva, if you type it like LinkedIn design, LinkedIn banner, you will get, lot of designs. You just have to edit it and put it there. Okay, so you have to put it there. And then now if I want to get a resume of someone, let me tell you how we actually do it. Okay, let me get it for someone. Who shall I get it? Anybody wants to give your name? Anybody? Nobody. So this is my how I
Karthikeyan,
lovely. Thank you, Karthikeyan. You're awesome, man. You're a superstar. Okay, Karthikeyan S. Your initial is S, is it?
Yes, sir. It's yes, sir. No, sir, that's not me. Search for Panimalar Engineering College, sir.
Okay. This one?
Yes, sir.
Did you know how I got it? See, Karthikeyan S, and he should be a member, a student at Panimalar. So this is how we search people. For example, if you want to search someone from Infosys, someone says I'm working in Infosys and is LinkedIn. If Karthikeyan is from Infosys, I'll type in as Karthikeyan S and Infosys. So it will streamline my profile very faster. So I'm just going to Karthikeyan now. Okay, so I have not added him, connected him. So I'm going to go to more. And then what I do, I click on save to PDF. And then I download. And then I open the resume. So now, are you ready to see Karthikeyan's resume? Let me show you. So this is Karthikeyan's profile. This is how we download it. So it's still, you're still beginning, right? 2019. So there's still not many information on your profile, but you have to keep updating it. So this is how we shortlist people from, and look at this. You should not just have it as a student from Panimala. Okay. You should put your skill set in it. Let me share it to you. Instead of putting student at Panimala College, okay, now look at this. What have I done? Plus, I'm a digital marketer, growth hacker, helping students to achieve financial freedom through digital marketing, growth hack. So if someone is looking for digital marketer or growth hacker, when they search, my name will be there. So no one will search it as Panimalar student, Panimalar college student. They will search with the technology. So you can also put Python program developer. Okay, so these are the key tools on LinkedIn. Okay, don't forget it. And if you have made any achievements, if you got any certificates, if you've done any YouTube channel, use the features section and use the about section as well. Okay, Don't simply ask recommendation from your friends. Macha, give me good review about me. No, it will not work out. Okay, you need to. No one cares about a review from your same person. So it should be a person either who is working below you or a person who is working above you. Okay, so that is something which is really needed for a recommendation. Okay, so this is how you have to streamline your LinkedIn profile. It is very essential about it. Yeah, you guys are with me. How many of you are enjoying it today? Just raise your hand. You find you. One Karthikeyan says yes. Guys, what about others? Okay, good. Thank you guys. Oh my God. You guys have touched my heart. Okay, great. So because you guys have touched my heart, I'm gonna share one of the $1 million secrets to you. Okay. Now I want you to unmute and tell me, one of you or any one of you. Now, if I ask you to go and find the decision maker's email ID, let's say Mr. Sundar Pichai's email ID, or Microsoft CEO's email ID, or let's say Apple's CEO's email ID, how long do you think it will take to find those people's email ID? Who can answer me that? Just give me your approximate time around. Sir, give me this much of time. It should take this much of time to find their email ID.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Okay. Good. What else? Anybody else? So how do you find it in 5 minutes, dude? So have you done this before? Can you guide us?
No, sir. Just Googling their name and search in Google, sir.
Okay. No, you can't get it like that. Okay. So there has to be, you also need to, you can get it. Google, someone will say this is the email ID, but how strong or confident we are in that. Okay, so how to find out? And also now, let's say you finished. So which year you guys are in? Third year? Third year of final year? Second year? Which year, guys? Third year, great. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's say you want to send email IDs to HRs to all the companies in India. Okay. How do you find their email ID? Okay, leave Sundar Pichai. We don't know. We don't want his email ID. You might need it. Okay, let's say you don't need Tim Cook. You don't need Neil Patel, or you don't need anyone's big people's email ID. Let's say you want a simple HR ID, emails ID from Infosys. You want an HR email ID from Wipro. You need an HR email ID from HR. Okay, sorry, Wipro. HR email from Wipro. So how do you find it? Okay, so you guys are ready for the $1 million secret? You know what? Seriously, it is actually a top secret. I give this technique to people who enroll in my 2 lakh course. Okay, but I want to share it to you, to the students, especially right now. And please don't send email ID just with the attachment. Don't send hi message and all. Okay, you have to send a decent mail to them, right? So I hope you. So I have 61 people here. I will share this secret if I get 50 hands raised. So I want 50 hands raised. So let me see that. So I got only one. Okay, I got 21. Come on. Okay, there's more 30. Okay, cool. Okay, awesome. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. So here you go. And I need a promise. You will not share this trick to anybody. This is not illegal. This is 100% legal. So this is where we, communicate with people for business, for decision makers. Before and all, when we used to ask people, please, can you refer that person? Can you please get that person's contact number? Can you please get this person's email ID? That has wasted a lot of my time. And there are people who say that, you know what, you'll get this person's email ID, you give me 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So always, you need to talk to the decision maker, right? So for that, what you have to do is you need to go to a website called as hunter.io. So even faculties can use this if you want to invite a person from any company for a guest lecture, or if you want to help students on placements, you want to talk to the recruitment team in that particular company, even faculties can use this. Okay. So now what you do is you go to hunter.io and then you type in, let's say, so which company you want? You tell me, I'll find the HR's email ID. Which company you want? Who can tell me? Which company's HR email ID you need?
TCS.
TCS. Okay, brilliant. Let me get you that. So what I'm going to do is I'm searching TCS. So that should be Tata Consultancy, right? Okay. So here we are. I click on the three dots. I click on human resources and you get email ID from all part of the country of TCS. You have careers, Hungary, Sweden, Belgium, Germany, Brazil, wherever you want, you can get their email ID. Right? How many of you are finding this awesome? Raise your hands. Right? So this is literally a 1 year, 2 year job, and let's go for Infosys right now. So infosys.com. Okay, you click on, you can talk to any engineer, human resource, executive, sales, marketing. So marketing person, you can send them for if you need any sponsors. Okay, you can send them the email. Okay, so this one, and then let me go for the HR one, human resources. So you for BPO careers. So there are a lot of email ID. So this green color will tell you how confident the email ID is accurate. Let's say 90%, right? So now let's find out Mr. Google Sundar Pichai's email ID. Okay, so now you have to type the full name, but you need to know the person's full name with correct spelling. So here it is, Mr. Sundar Pichai's email ID. It's 70% accurate. Awesome, right? How cool isn't it? Sitting at home, 30 seconds, you're able to get anybody's email ID all across the world, right? Trust me, I'm the only person who shares these secrets because I spend a lot of time in my life trying to get the correct tools and the correct ways which will help people to develop. Okay, so there is a lot of things which you can do, guys, on digital profiling. Now there is also one more technique where now just imagine, let's say let's say like I have Vikraman here, right? Let's say Vikraman is going for an interview tomorrow. Now that person is me. He's coming to interview from me. Okay, I'm going to interview. Now what if Vikraman is able to find out what I like, what I don't like, how to speak to me, what not to speak to me, how to speak to him in terms of a sales, how to speak to him in terms of an email. So how helpful it will be. We can even have tools which will judge or predict and tell that person's character before even you meet that person. Sounds interesting, right? How many of you want to know that? How many of you want to know that? Yeah? I have 61, I need 61 hands raised. Okay, so there is a tool which will tell, let's say if I want to find out Vikraman's character, I don't even need to talk to him. I have a tool which will tell me what is Vikraman's character on social media. So there is a special tool for that, okay, to do that. Unfortunately, I can't use the tool. If I have to use the tool, I have to spend money for that. So, but just want to share it with you. There is a tool like that. Probably when I do a workshop, I'll send you an invite, and you guys can catch it. Or the next thing you guys can do is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel on Four-Steps Training Solutions Private Limited, and then stay connected. So you can watch it when I launch it in my YouTube. Right? Great, awesome, useful. Okay, so what did we learn today? So first thing is all about digital profiling, establishing yourself on internet, portraying your character on internet. That's very, very important. So try to have a, there are still a lot of things on LinkedIn, guys. Unfortunately, I don't have time. Okay. Excuse me. These are things which I learned across during my 7 years and 8 years. So everything cannot be shared in 1 hour. So whatever I shared you is just 1% of a digital marketing growth hack. These are called as growth hacks. Okay, so there are a lot of ways to learn it. So you can stay in touch with my YouTube channel. Second thing is you can subscribe to my Facebook page, stay connected, and you'll be able to follow me. So one is create a proper digital profiling, have a good website for yourself, keep a clean Facebook profile. Don't put emotional status. Don't abuse anyone. Don't scold anyone. That is enough to have a decent profile. Okay. If someone is disturbing you, don't even bother abusing them. Just ignore and move on. Okay, have a good proper LinkedIn profile, upload your skills. I will not recommend you to upload your certificates. You can just say you got certificate from there, because there's a lot of forgery which is happening on LinkedIn right now using the serial numbers of the certificate. So you have to be very careful when you upload in LinkedIn. So try to hide the certificates serial number if you upload it on your LinkedIn. Okay, you can have a Facebook, not a problem. You can have any social media. In fact, I would recommend you to have a social media, but have it properly, maintain it properly with right type of people in your circle. That will help you to get a good job as well, help you to get a good name as well. Yeah, understood? So create a website using WordPress, LinkedIn, decent profile on Facebook, and then what else did we learn today? OpenCV, that is ATS, application tracking system, and I've also taught you Canva and how to design your resumes. And I've also shared you the link. Unfortunately, there is no chat here. I can't share the YouTube link. So just go to 4-Step Solutions and search for that video. Let me share that video to you again. Um,
Students,
the
can
video.
you see my chat box? Sir, 1 second, sir. Students, can you see my chat box?
No, sir. Unfortunately, couldn't.
No. Okay, sir. Okay.
No problem, sir. So let me share it to you guys. No problem. So, or after this meeting, I'll share all the links to your WhatsApp, sir. You can forward it to students. Okay.
Yeah, sure, I will, sir. I will.
Where is it? Yeah. So go to my YouTube channel, 4-Steps Training Solutions. Look out for these 4 colors. Okay. And then click on Surprise GitHub Education Pack. So this tells you how to access it for free. Yeah. Awesome. So thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today. And there is still a tons and tons of things to be learned. I've just shared you only few things. And so I hope you guys understand Tamil. Everybody understand Tamil here? Anyone who doesn't understand Tamil? So I also have a podcast channel. Podcast is another platform where we guys are sharing a lot of knowledge now. You can right now I have that video on Tamil. So it's an audio file where we address common questions from students, and we help them to so this is the something called as or doubt kekatuma sir. Okay, so if you know Tamil, you can just access this and listen to this. And if you have any doubts or questions related to your life or anything which we can help or counsel you, we will do that. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it today. So before we go, do you have any questions for me, please? If you have any questions, you can ask me. No problem. Okay, so I hope there isn't. And if still you have, if you want to personally talk to me, you need any help or support, this is my mobile number. Just type my mobile number. Okay, you can connect with me. I'll have this phone for till the rest of the day today. Okay, so thank you guys once again. Thank you, Panimala, for providing me this opportunity to interact with students. I hope you guys, found out some new things which will really help you to shape your career. I wish you all the best from bottom of my heart. Uh, Please focus on skill. Okay, degree will eventually you will make it. Please focus on the skill. Okay, you have to sit in the interview and say, you know what, I know this, yeah, I did this, I've done these projects, I can work on this, I can straight away, I can work on your live projects, I don't need a training period. That is a kind of opportunity you have right now. Whenever you sit on online, you think that, oh my god, I'm getting tired. These are all maya, these are all it is actually, it is not the actual reason. But the truth is, we have a lot of time. We have a lot of time than before. We are not even traveling to college time, right? So we actually have more time in our life. This batch is the only one who has to be the best of all of it. You have to change your expectations when you sit for an interview. You have to have a different attitude. You need to have a strong personality. Okay, the only thing which will give you that confidence is 99% skill. Okay, I was dependent on someone else before, so I was keep, oh, that person will do it, that person will do it, but nothing happened in my life until I took control of my life. So take control of your life. Follow these two rules in your life. One, don't expect anything from anyone in your life, and number two, don't give any reasons. Okay, these are the two things which has helped me. It will help you, and trust me, no one will come to help us. Okay, so God doesn't have any messiah, or there is nothing who will take it up. Come and say, do this. This is for you. Here, take this money. It will happen to you. No, it will happen to people only who work towards it. Period. That's it. Dot. Okay. So thank you guys. Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you guys in another occasion. And I wish you all the best. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, sir. That was a very informative session. Students, hope you all enjoyed it. So that's all for the technical session which we had it for the past 5 days, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And for this session also, you'll be getting the feedback link that will be posted in your respective class groups. So thank you all.